QR codes provide a quick and easy way for persons to access your information, whether it be a social media, your website, product information. You can also embed videos inside these QR codes. So this is what this video is for, to show you how to generate a QR code, because a lot of persons don't know how to generate one. So I'm going to use Microsoft Office and show you how to generate said code. So you're going to launch Microsoft Office, create a blank document, and then press Ctrl F9. By the way, if you find this information useful, just consider to subscribe. So Ctrl F9 on the keyboard, a bracket will appear. We're going to type displaybarcode, and then going to open quotation mark, type in the information you want to appear or embedded in the QR code. So you can put the Instagram handle in there. This is what I'm doing here, and then close quotation marks, and then type QR /Q3, then you press F9. Once you press F9, the QR code will appear on the screen. So find this information useful, just consider to subscribe. Thanks.